With more homes for sale and buyers being more selective, it's smart to make strategic updates. But how do you decide what's worth doing? Hey there, I am Christina Sparks, realtor with Real Broker, owner, House of Sparks. Spring is here, but before you put your home on the market, ask your agent these 3 questions. First, what do buyers in your area want to see when it comes to upgrades? Second, what quick projects have a big impact? 3, what repairs are actually worth the cost before selling? If your agent is active in your local market, they will be able to tell you what buyers want, the quick wins that'll have a big impact, and what projects have the best ROI. Check out this data. These are 10 renovation project options with the highest ROI. What projects are on your to-do list before selling? Have questions? Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.